So, made it to Camping World. We're here. It's Piper's first time here. The reason we had to come is when we renewed our membership for Good Sam, we got $50 off, but you can't use, you can only use $25 one month and $25 another, which I think that's stupid. But so we need a couple things. We thought we'd make the day of it, come out here, and so yeah. Uh-oh, she's not happy. All these rigs waiting for service. And Piper just woke up from a nap. Leslie's trying out all her little chairs. And then there's Piper. Can you wave? Huh? Can you wave? Huh? Can you wave? Say hi. Hi. You don't like that one?
No, I don't like it.
What one do you like?
This one I like the best. I think it's
Right.
more comfortable.
Try it again.
Yeah, it's more comfy.
Yeah, that looks like it.
Looks like this floor.
Well, yeah, you're on regular cement. So. Big fifth wheel being worked on. Well, Sunday, so nothing's probably being worked on, but nice cold day to rather be in here. Let's see what Piper has to say. You not gonna wave to Daddy? Hi. Say hi. I know what you want. Here, get you one of that. Here you go. There you go. One of the things that we're wanting to get this year is a weather station. We had one in the old travel trailer we liked, but it was very old school compared to some of these new ones. We really like this one here. Color screen, everything on it. And I think that's the one we're going to go with. We've seen other people that have it and seem to like it. I like something with a bit of color. Easier to me to see than these ones. But so I think that's going to be an addition here soon. Betsy, if she ever decides to cook or bake for me.
I would if we had one of these.
We have a nice, beautiful convection.
Right.
Yeah.
I know you like it out of here.
Well, it's because it's already done. We don't have to change anything. I mean, we could put one of them in, but then we got to tear out some of the storage.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be better if they catered to motorhomes more than travel trailers.
Why did we do that?
I don't know.
Yeah, see? They think it's only travel trailers.
Let's see what Piper's doing. Is she looking at stuff or is she out? Let's see what Piper's doing. Hi, Piper. You don't want to wave? Look, your teeth are coming in nice, aren't they? Are you having fun? Yeah? Did we stop rolling? Oh, wait. And Mommy's playing around with more stuff. More stuff. Let's go see what Mommy's doing. Well, we haven't decided what we're going to buy today. Probably could buy something from every aisle, but yeah, that ain't going to happen today. And what did you find now? This is all their clearance stuff. Camp Guard motion alarm system. Huh. Comforter. Coffee pot. See, we don't drink coffee. Bacon bird. I don't know what Mommy find now. Well, that would be good in the car. I like the blue. Wow. Hmm. No, not gonna wave to me. Oh, there we go. Hello. Say hi, everybody in TV land. Hi, everybody in TV land. Hi, everybody in TV land. I hear a puppy walking around. I hear a puppy. Do you hear a puppy? You see a cute little puppy running in here. Look at that. It's a cute little guy. Yeah. Uh-oh, he went the other way. Anything good? Piper. Wow. You gotta find some of your flamingos you like so much. I don't think they'll find anything in my size. Fun. Keep it simple. Well, the only problem is they're all travel trailers. I mean, we're motorhome people. And then these are all doggy stuff.
Yeah.
Wait, so what's this? Oh, never camp alone. Yeah, that's third. Oh, they like the hats though. But yeah, nothing for us motorhome people. What do you got to say to everybody? Huh? Piper. 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 You know, I thought about that. Do you think that would work? Well, it would work on the couch, but would that work on our, you know, when we have the slide out thing where our cups should go and they don't fit right?
Slide out.
Our cup holders in the dashboard. What are you thinking of?
Yeah, because look at this bottom.
Yeah, I would.
Look at, they have it here at a normal table. Then it looks like the inserts come out. And then they have it over here on the couch, and then these people have it on their table outside. You can put it anywhere. That's a
We have a
nice
2
idea.
and a 3. Piper. Hi, baby.
Oh, I didn't even see the 3.
You a good girl? Yeah, mommy's finding stuff.
They even have it where you can put the controller.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, looks like they even make them 4. Or they put 2 together.
What?
This is a neat idea.
Yeah, but not for the price.
No.
$80. That can't be right.
It's leather and it's heavy, so that's why it's so
Is it leather or is it vinyl?
Whatever it is, it's better than quality.
It looks like it's just vinyl. Product using the finest marine grade fabrics and materials. It doesn't actually say, so I'm going to say it's not leather. And not at that price. Sometimes you just got to say no. Ooh, got more stuff to look at too.